Hey there, Dr. Crypto here, and I just want to do a quick update on TAP Global, which also is ticker name XTP. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope wherever you are in the world is having an absolutely fantastic day. And just before I start, if you could give us like a thumbs up and a subscribe, it's always appreciated, and I really, really do generally mean it. It is appreciated, So, because like I said, I'm a new channel myself. So, anyway, want to get into TAP. What is TAP? Well, basically, TAP is an exchange, just like a Crypto.com or a Binance, where you can actually purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even their native token, XTP. And this company is basically only a couple of years old. They are offering features sort of where debit cards where you could stake it, all depending on how much you stake will depend on how much you earn. But what I'm actually really interested in this project is that they're not just your normal exchange. They are an exchange that is basically ISO 27001 compliant. They have because they're on the stock markets. They trade on the London stock markets, and also they have $100 million insurance by BitGo. So if they ever get hacked, and you got funds on there, they ever get hacked, they are insured, and also they're licensed and regulated. So, by the Gibraltar Financial Service Commission. So they can't be doing any kind of funny business or anything like that because they are regulated and licensed. So obviously regulators, anybody who's regulated will be monitored, so they have to be legit, to be able to trade on the stock markets. It's no two ways about it, But what's also exciting is they offer a premium plans tailored to you. So, like I said, depending on how much you stake for the card, so for example, if you stake it's 250k, you'll get a 6% APY on your earn, and titanium, you'll get like an 8% APY, so you, as long as you stake, say 500k of XTP, that's what you'll get. But if you are just going to get a card and you don't want to stake anything, you can earn boost of up to 4% APY. And obviously, the more you stake, the better deals you get on in your trading fees, and obviously, titanium, you can withdraw as much as you want. It's unlimited, at an ATM. So they offer that, and they're offering business banking as well, But what also is really interesting, and, I sort of overlooked this, is when I looked at their TAP Twitter, this bit here, TAP initiates the 7th XTP burn. So they are burning their tokens. So basically what happens is from now on, every month TAP will gather and burn all of the fees collected on TAP platform and burn them. So basically, because of the monthly burn is based on fees, when more users decide to join and pay their fees with XTP for additional discounts on their fees, the larger the monthly reserve will be. The tokens are then burned permanently, reducing the overall supply of tokens. So while giving us an even greater ability, and to protect the growth of XTP price. So basically, the burns offer an incentive to continue holding XTP. So when you stake it, and also by paying your fees when you sell and buy, for further discounts, rewards long-term holders by protecting their investment over time as burns occur. So basically, the positive is the program, it strengthens its increase all the time as the TAP app's users base and desire for fees reduction grows. So at the moment, they've got around about 100,000 users. Now, people have asked me, and they've also questioned TAP as well. As you can see on this Twitter, when does TAP come to America? And they said here, at the end of March to beginning of April. So there's no full set date yet, but that's what they're targeting. Now, they're also aiming to go to Australia, and no doubt they'll be aiming to go to other countries at some point. Now, we've got 100,000 users at the moment. When they go to America, you've got the whole of America at their exposure. So, you know, when those users start coming in, I can't give you a number of how many users they'll generate from America, but you have got exposure to the whole of the United States and Australia. So these more people come on board, the stronger the burns are, the more XTP will grow. Because obviously, the more burns will reduce the supply, but the demand's there also. So obviously, you know, tokenomics shows you that should knock up the price because it gets rarer. You know, it's like Bitcoin. Bitcoin gets rarer. That means as long as the supply is there as well, you know, that'll keep growing. And obviously all this is subject to the traditional markets and Bitcoin, where they go. If Bitcoin starts carried on now as it is, then obviously TAP price should in theory still go up. But just keep an eye on these burns. You know, it's nothing to be sniffed at. They're adding coins as well, like Maker. They're adding various coins over time. More and more it grows. You know, so this is a really young company. And I did my due diligence and I have researched this. And what they do with their insurances, the stock markets, you know, and, you know, conforming to regulators, this gives me extra confidence. So that's what my take is on TAP Global, ticker name XTP. So let's have a quick look at the charts, just see how they're doing at the moment. So looking at the charts at the moment, we basically had this trending down, and we basically bottomed out here, and we started to move up. We created another a bull flag here, and then made our way up. And again, we've sort of making this bull flag again. So, and obviously here we started, the potential breakout. So I stipulated the poll here and initiated a potential breakout. So there's another like 8%, 12% here to the upside, subject to the whole market, like Bitcoin and such like, making moves. So you've got this coming here. So, but look, you know, you look at the weekly for an example. Look at that. You know, we sort of came down quite heavily, consolidated down here, and look at that. An 8,763% uptick. Well, you know, and people thinking, well, he's had this big moves. Yeah, it has. But we've got so many bullish fundamentals coming out of TAP. Like I said, the exposure to Australia, the exposure to America. They've got an earn program coming out. And no doubt they've got more partnerships coming out. You know, so, and they're building in the bear market. So just keep an eye on this. So, you know, the fundamentals, the charts are looking good. TAP price, you know, with market cap is up a whopping 10%. Fully diluted, up 10%. You know, volume is slightly down at the moment, you know, but looking at the community, bullish, you know, people are bullish on this project because, yeah, it's new. There's going to be volatility there. Don't get me wrong, you know, and that's why I always say do your own research. But TAP to me is a little gem. I'm holding for the long term on this. The next year, 2 years, maybe 3 years, where could it be? It's young and it's growing and it's regulated. So, you know, check it out for yourself. Go to the TAP website, TAP Global website, check it out yourself. You know, go to the London stock markets and have a look, see how they're doing. Because don't forget, you know, they have to show what their liabilities are. So, you know, like a lot of crypto exchanges won't show you. But these, like Coinbase, they have to show you what their liabilities are. You know, these, because they're on the stock markets, or they're on, like Coinbase is on the NASDAQ. You know, they have to show their investors what their liabilities are. And that is the biggest question what's been asked since the FTX Celsius collapses. So anyway, I hope you like this video. Give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. And I hope you're having a great day. Just check it out. You know, you can download the app for free. It doesn't cost you nothing to download it, you know. So, yeah, give us... And also, you know, check out our... You know, if you want to get involved with it more, you know, there's a referral program. So check that down below in the description. So, anyway, hope you have a great day. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you soon in the next video.